Hi everyone, well we're really proud to release today our Ram Caravan camera integration system. Due to the recent updates in technology and the latest models, we had to completely redevelop our existing Caravan camera integration system for the Rams and create a whole new product. So we're going to demonstrate the functionality of our Caravan camera system in this brand new Ram 1500 model. It has the bigger 14.4 inch screen. Now to activate the camera, we're simply going to double press the mute button. And that will display your Caravan camera right there at the top of the screen. However, with this RAM system, if you want to look at that Caravan camera while look at your maps from say CarPlay, the CarPlay maps will only display in the top part of the screen. So what we've done is we've enabled the system to switch the camera to the bottom simply by pressing the enter button twice. So there you have your Caravan camera displayed there, and you can have your CarPlay maps or anything else that you customize these screens to display right there at the top of the screen. So it's a really awesome way to be just driving along the highway, Caravan camera, maps, everything working seamlessly. The other thing that you want to be able to do with this system is view the Caravan camera while in reverse. Our system is designed to work perfectly with a dual camera. So if you do have a dual camera, when you go to reverse, you will see the second camera image on the back of the Caravan. To activate that, again, it's the same. Double press of the mute button. And we've replaced that factory 360-degree camera with the camera image from the back of the van. Many of our customers have given us feedback that they like to see both the factory camera and the Caravan camera at the same time. So if again we double press the enter button, you can display the car's 360 camera system there at the top and the Caravan camera image at the bottom. You can also continue to switch through these different camera modes on the touchscreen. Back to park or drive, and you'll see the Caravan camera there at the bottom of the screen. So this system is completely plug and play, handles up to 4 cameras. 3 can be visible here while driving forwards. Simply by continuing to press the mute button twice, you'll scroll through the 3 camera images, and 1 camera image is dedicated to be visible in reverse. So I hope you enjoyed that demonstration of how our system operates. If you have any questions at all, please give our team a call, because they're going to be able to put together a solution that meets your requirements. We've even developed a really nice trailer bracket that fits nicely on the back of the vehicle and keeps all of your connections for your camera and your Anderson plugs and everything nice and neat and tidy. So whatever your needs are, if you've got any questions, please give our team a call and we'll work out a solution that meets your requirements.